We're gonna wash a Tesla Model Y quickly, fast, and very fun with the SwiftJet foam sprayer right here. It's gonna be awesome. Let's go. SwiftJet car foam sprayer right here. So this is a foam tip. If you don't want to use a foam tip, you can also use this spraying tip right here. And this is just for spraying, no foam. You can attach this right to a garden hose. You even have the little filter. You can use this if you have a type of fast connect to attach. But we're gonna use a garden hose, so we don't even need this attachment, which is included but not needed. You can use any kind of car soap. It'll foam up just perfectly fine. Let's measure out about 2 to 4 ounces. So right there, I got about 4 ounces of soap. Boom, 4 ounces of soap measured out. Let's go ahead and put some soap into the SwiftJet right now. Now let's fill this up with warm water into the SwiftJet. All right, that's good. Then attach the nozzle. Boom, SwiftJet car foam sprayer ready to go. I love that the SwiftJet comes with the nozzle right here because this you can use to rinse off the car easily. And then what you do is you pull this back here, push this in, and push, and it locks in place. Now you set to 0 right here, and there's no foam. But it has a nice spread out nozzle, and this allows you to spray your car nice and even, just like that. Now, when you want to start to get some soap in there, you can turn this to A, more foam right there. Look at that beautiful foam right there. And this is any car soap. You don't have to use anything special. There we go, some car foam. You can change this to level B. Oh wow, more foam, look at that. That's a professional foam job right there. And you go to this C right there, even more foam. You can just foam up the car nice and easy like that. And then let's go to D, turn it to D. Wow, look at all that foam right there. Nice. So here's E, and that's even more foam. Sweet. After E, it goes back to 0. So we can foam up our car all around, just like this. Foam up the car. There we go. And it's fun because it's so easy. Just gonna foam all around the car. Get the tires, boom, right there. On the other side over here, we can get the tires over here too. It's so nice and satisfying, right? Boom, get the tires. There we go, all foamed up. Good. Get the top of the car. There we go. All right, and the back of the car down here, boom. All right, wrapping around here. Oh man, that's some good foam right there. Solid, right? Beautiful foam right there. Get the rest of the car. And it's thick foam too, very thick foam. That way you're not scrubbing, you're letting the foam naturally pull the dirt and grime out of the car. Just like that. There we go. The SwiftJet does come with this. This is the microfiber mitt. Put on the microfiber mitt like this. This comes included with the SwiftJet, and then you can just wipe it off like this. There we go. That's how you clean your car. Quick and fast. And this way, you're not damaging the paint because this is microfiber. It's very soft on your car. And you're just gonna go around and wipe like that. Every bit of the car, get some foam on. So technically, if you wanted to, you can just put the foam gun down at this point and then just go around your car and just kind of scrub it down with the microfiber. I'll tell you why it's important to use the microfiber, because you see right here, we foamed it, but it's still very dirty. So if we foam it again, you can see stuff like this doesn't come off. That's like bugs and stuff, right? Use this and be able to scrub it down and then clean out like that. See? There we go. There we go. So I like to keep using the foam because that gives it extra lubrication on the paint and makes sure that you really protect your paint with the lubrication of the soap. And the foam just allows me to spread it a lot more. Now I am using a lot more soap than a lot of people prefer to use, but I like to treat my car with a lot of love. So the microfiber cloth does help with this and get every nook and cranny with the foam gun, and then with the microfiber cloth at the same time, just like this. Wash the top part of the car first, then wash your mitt before you go to the bottom part, because a lot of the bottom part usually has a lot of grits that typically will come up and potentially can scratch the top part of your car. But again, that's the beauty of the microfiber, is that it's very forgivable. Even though you have small particles in here, it's microfiber, so it allows it to not scratch. That's the beauty of microfiber. So that's pretty much how you use the SwiftJet car foam sprayer to apply the foam on your car, and then use the included microfiber to kind of scrub it down. And at the end, you just want to use water to rinse it off, and that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and complete my car wash, but there we go. That is a quick demonstration of the SwiftJet, and this thing just makes car washing so fun, so easy, and you'll never go back to using a bucket and soap again. It's always about the foam sprayer right here from SwiftJet. And again, the microfiber mitt makes it so easy. Now, the one thing about the microfiber mitt is, like, if I want to pick up the hose, I can't because my hand has a mitt, right? So if I want to pick up the hose, I would have to take off the mitt like this and pick up the hose in case the hose gets stuck like this. There we go. So that's the inconvenience of the microfiber mitt. So then put back the microfiber mitt, like so. Be careful not to drop it, because that would be brutal, right? All right, we're washing the rest of our car here. That's the soap and scrubbing part of how to quickly wash your Tesla Model Y. To ensure that there's no more soap coming out, even though the bottle is pretty much empty, you can switch this to 0, and that ensures the water passes through without getting any soap in. So now we're just gonna rinse it off with no soap. Amazon Basic Microfiber Cloth. We love these for using to clean our car and drying off our car because they don't damage the paint because they're microfiber. So these cloths right here, they got different color ones. You got the yellow, the blue, and the white one. They're all the same, just different colors. Now I usually like to separate them because, you know, if I use one for wheels, I'll pick yellow one for wheels. I will do this for interior. I'll do this for exterior. That way I know which towel touch which part of the car. So these are Amazon Basic. They are 90% polyester and 10% polyamide. Now here's a little trick I like to do with these towels is, look, rip that out, because this sometimes actually scratches the paint. So I like to just rip this out. Now another trick I like to do is I like to fold my microfiber in half and then fold it again into another half. So now it's a 4th quadrant. So now you have so many areas. You can use this area, then when that's done, you can flip it around and use this area, and you get the point, right? You have different quadrants. So that's how you use the microfiber to dry off your car and take care of it. And I don't worry about scratches too much because microfiber is very soft and gentle on the car. The microfiber is just more forgiving in terms of the particles. The Amazon Basic microfiber towels, so we got the different colors. We got the white ones, the blue one, and a yellow one, and they come in a pack together. So microfibers from Amazon Basic. And the last part of washing the Tesla Model Y quickly is just drying off with microfiber cloth. The Mr. Pink soap for cars, you can use this, put it in water, mix it up with the bucket, or use a foam sprayer. Works really good. What I like about it is that after washing your car, assuming that you have soft water in your plumbing system, it's pretty much spotless. You don't even need to dry it off, but if you want to, you can also dry it off with the microfiber. But we just finished washing our car with the Mr. Pink. It's good stuff, guys. It's foamy, as you see right there, and it works really well. We use it on all of our cars, even our Tesla Model Y, which we love, is a pride and joy. And Mr. Pink from Chemical Guys, it's good stuff. And it smells good too. Mr. Pink, washing our Tesla all the time with this stuff right here.